Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial video of Softeous IoT Suite. In this video, we will learn about logging in, resetting the password, and editing your profile data. Let's get started. Open the login in page of the suite. Enter your registered mail ID and password. If you have forgot the password, then click on Forgot Password. Then enter your registered mail ID and click on Reset. A reset link will be shared on your mail. Now go to Login page, enter mail ID and password and click Login. Home page of Suite is open now. In the bottom of the sidebar you will find your name. Click on your name and you will see two options. If you click on Logout, you will be redirected to Login page. Click on Edit Profile, then you can see your profile on main screen. And see your details, like roles you are assigned, your contact details. For editing your details, click on Pen button. Now you can see Account tab and Password tab on your screen. In Accounts setting you can change your first name, last name, registered mail ID, and phone number. After changing, click on Save Changes. Your changes will be saved. Moving to Password tab, type your current password. New password. And retype your new password in Confirm New Password column. Then click on Update Password. Your password will be changed. Now click on Home menu and Sidebar. You will be redirected to Home page.